fridge, I have frozen food, non-frozen food, milk, not milk, cheese, and more cheese. But I have things other than cheese. I have lots of dairy.
This is Andy Hong's fridge. It was purchased by her landlord, Ed Hu, in 2011. Her fridge is covered with her roommate, Jay Gregory's photos. She did not allow anyone's photos except her own. Andy asked if she can put one photo of her, but it was met with a violent tantrum. The left bottle is sake, and the right one is carbonated water. Jade purchased the sake the night before and never drank it, but now, less than 1/3 of it is left.
Okay. I can explain that. You see, I was really thirsty last night, like thirsty, right? So I grabbed a bottle that I thought was carbonated water and drank it. The taste was a lot more bitter than usual, so I thought, why? But then I remembered, oh yeah, I bought it in Dollarama, so it's worse quality than regular one. So I kept drinking it. I didn't know it was sake, okay? I didn't know. Good. Yeah. Yeah, I got drunk.
As appears in the picture, you can see there are eggs, pickles, and Vaseline.
I burned myself yesterday when I was drunk. I got into this TikTok challenge about who can do salt and ice challenge longer. Do you know about it? So what you do is you put salt on your skin and press it with ice, and it burns your skin. So I did that with this 7-year-old kid, and guess what? I won. I know what you're thinking. It felt so good. But the thing is, it hurt a lot. So I was putting Vaseline, but I was like, ow. I wish Vaseline was colder. You know, like you burn, when you burn and you run it under cold water, right? So same thing. Good thinking, yeah?
A bunch of things are in the freezer. Everything is frozen. They are solid and very, very cold. But there is one thing that should not be there.
I'm not gonna lie. There are 2 dead rats living in my freezer. I mean, they're dead, so they're not technically living in my freezer. I'll say they they reside in my freezer right now. Yeah. What? Oh, no, I didn't kill them. They just died. Probably natural cause. The thing is, I'm nice, so I try to bury them, but they died in the winter, and the ground is frozen, right? So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Recycle?
For sensitive viewers, we cartoonized dead rats. This is Andy Hong's fridge. It's got milk, cream, cheese, yogurt, butter. Forget it. It's got a lot of dairy products and 2 dead rats.